Kettlebell swings are a very popular exercise and are often used as a part of training in many gyms and fitness centers around the world. This exercise is simple and can be done while you watch TV or listen to music. If you really want to put kettlebell swings to the test, you can do 100 swings every day for 30 days. The results of this experiment will amaze you. But what will happen if you do 100 kettlebell swings every day for 30 days? Before we answer that, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. The benefits of doing 100 kettlebell swings a day for 30 days are numerous. You will build muscle, lose fat, improve your cardiovascular health, and much more. Let's take a closer look at what happens when you do 100 swings every day for 30 days. Number 1. You will build muscle mass. The first benefit of swinging a kettlebell every day for 30 days is that you will build muscle mass. Muscle mass is a very important component of overall health and fitness. By adding muscle mass to your body, you will become stronger and more athletic. You will also look better in clothes because muscles add volume and make you look bigger. Number 2. You will lose fat. The second benefit of swinging a kettlebell every day for 30 days is that you will lose fat. Kettlebell swings are an excellent way to lose fat because they work all of your major muscle groups. By targeting the arms, chest, abs, and glutes, you will burn fat even while you are at rest. In fact, studies show that kettlebell training is more effective for fat loss than weightlifting. Number 3. You will improve your cardiovascular health. This is the third benefit of swinging a kettlebell every day for 30 days. Kettlebell swings will improve your cardiovascular health. Regular exercise is important for the heart and the cardiovascular system. When you work out, your heart needs oxygen and nutrients. Through kettlebell swings, you will get more oxygen and nutrients than you would from a regular workout because you are working all major muscle groups. You will get a complete cardiovascular workout in 30 minutes a day. And it is the perfect way to start your day. Number 4. You will become stronger. The fourth benefit of swinging a kettlebell every day for 30 days is that you will become stronger. Strength training is the basis of good health and fitness. When you do kettlebell swings, you will build strength in your arms, chest, back, and glutes. These are the most important areas of your body. You will be able to lift heavier weights, run faster, and perform your daily activities better and for longer. You will also lift more in your everyday activities, like carrying groceries and doing chores. You can use this strength to help you complete your daily tasks. Number 5. You will improve your balance. You will improve balance if you do kettlebell swings for 30 days. You will become stronger and more balanced. When you build strength in your legs, your hips and lower body, you will improve balance. A stronger and more balanced body will improve your balance. You will even notice that you are able to do more and better things with your body because you are stronger and more balanced. This will help to improve your overall health and fitness. A strong and balanced body will make you more flexible. You will have more energy throughout your day. Number 6. You will increase your stamina. You will be able to do a longer workout for 30 days. When you start exercising for 30 days, you will see noticeable changes in how you feel. By doing more kettlebell swings, your body will quickly learn to adapt to the new demands of your workout routine. Swinging a kettlebell on a daily basis will increase your stamina. When you start swinging a kettlebell for 30 days, instead of just a couple of minutes, you will start to feel strong and can work out even longer. It is like a muscle memory. You will slowly become stronger and stronger. Kettlebell swings are the best exercise there is. It will help you in all areas of your life, including health, fitness, stamina, strength, balance, and energy. You will discover a new way to exercise, a way to live a better life. If you would like to keep this healthy lifestyle, then look for a kettlebell that is very light so that you can easily carry it with you at all times. That was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Leave a like and comment to show your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the icon for the notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching. Remember, keep your inner genius alive.